Hello and welcome back to Creative Cooking on a Shoestring. Today we're going to be making Stromboli. Now you can go to the store and buy yourself one of those tubes of ready-made pizza dough, but we're not going to do that today. We're going to make our own dough for this. So let's get cooking. To make our pizza dough, we're going to need 3 cups of flour, 2 of which I already have in my mixing bowl, 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast, or 1 packet. I'm using the instant yeast so I don't have to bloom it. 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and a cup of warm water. Now, to my mixer, I already have the 2 cups of flour in there. So I'm now going to pretty much add everything else except that last cup of flour. In goes the yeast, the sugar, salt, the olive oil, and the water. We're just going to blend this up with the dough hook, and I'll scrape the sides of the bowl as necessary. Now I'm going to start adding in my last cup of flour, a little bit at a time. Until this forms a nice dough ball. Okay, our dough is all mixed. I'm just going to take it out of the mixing bowl. And I'm going to place it in a lightly greased bowl. Roll it around a little bit to get the dough coated. I'm just going to cover this with a towel and let it rest and rise. Okay, our dough has rested. I'm going to take half of this, approximately a half, well, maybe a third, I'm going to roll this out. It doesn't have to be perfectly rectangular. So you want it about somewhere between 1/8 of an inch and 1/4 of an inch thick. There, that looks okay. And I'm going to fill this with some mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, ham, and Genoa salami. Okay. Do a layer of pepperoni. A layer of ham. Some salami. Layer of cheese. I'm using, it's the Italian shredded cheese. It's mozzarella, cheddar, provolone, and Asiago. Another layer of pepperoni. Layer of ham. Salami. More, yeah, we're gonna use all the cheese. And we're going to fold this over. Fold that over. And we're going to roll it up. Like a burrito. And that is our Stromboli. Now I'm going to slide this over here. Put that on the baking tray. I'm going to make another one. Give this a couple slices to allow the steam to escape. And this will go in the oven at like 400 degrees. And we're going to bake it till it's a nice golden brown. Our stromboli is out of the oven, and I let it cool down a little bit because I knew it was going to be hot. So, look at it. Looks delicious, and it smells delicious. So let's give it a taste and make sure that it is delicious. Mmm. Reminds me of home. There was this restaurant, it's called Two Boys from Italy, that made the best strombolis. But I think I got the best one now. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you'd like. Leave a comment. And until next time.